Welcome to this video on Taurus Moon Sign, also known as Vrishabha Rashi in Vedic astrology. Taurus Moon individuals are known for their calm, grounded, and reliable personalities. Ruled by Venus, the planet of beauty, luxury, and comfort, they are naturally drawn to stability and enjoy the finer things in life. One defining trait of Taurus Moon people is their steady and dependable nature. They are known for their patience and perseverance, making them excellent at handling responsibilities and achieving long-term goals. However, their strong attachment to comfort can sometimes make them resistant to change. Taurus Moon individuals are deeply connected to their senses. They have a refined taste for art, music, and food, and they thrive in environments that are aesthetically pleasing. Their love for comfort and beauty often drives them to create a harmonious and luxurious lifestyle. In relationships, Taurus Moon people are loyal, affectionate, and supportive. They value stability and security and often prefer long-term commitments over fleeting connections. While they are deeply loving, their possessive tendencies can sometimes create challenges in their relationships. Family life for Taurus Moon natives is a source of strength and happiness. They are dedicated to their families and work hard to ensure their loved ones feel secure and cared for. Their mothers often instill in them a deep appreciation for tradition and stability. Physically, Taurus Moon individuals often have a pleasing and attractive appearance. Their calm demeanor and warm, inviting energy make them naturally likable. They are also known for their strong physical constitution. When faced with challenges, Taurus Moon people rely on their resilience and practicality. They approach problems with patience and are not easily swayed by emotional turbulence. Their life motto is, build a strong foundation and grow steadily. In summary, Taurus Moon individuals are calm, reliable, and deeply connected to the pleasures of life. Their dedication to stability and their ability to create beauty and comfort make them truly unique. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other moon signs.